Hello, and welcome to our lesson on developing the schedule part 2. This segment will cover estimating resources. Estimating is predicting or approximating various aspects of a project before execution. This involves determining the likely values or quantities related to project parameters, such as time, cost, resources, and risks. Estimating is a crucial phase in project planning as it provides a basis for decision-making, resource allocation, and overall project control. In the context of time and resources, estimating is concerned with resource estimating, determining the human resources, equipment, and materials required for project activities. Time estimating, predicting the durations required to complete specific project activities. We may use various estimation techniques to estimate resource quantities or durations. Selection of the estimation techniques depends on the project scope, nature, available information, and the nature and type of each activity or work package. Estimating inherently involves dealing with uncertainties and risks. Inaccurate estimates increase the overall project risk. Estimating relies on various data sources, including data from past projects, benchmarks, subject matter experts, and the project managers and project team's knowledge and experience. Estimating levels in project management refers to the hierarchical breakdown of estimates based on the granularity and detail required at different project stages. 3 expected levels of estimating align with the project management structure. 1. Control account. A control account represents a higher-level grouping or summary of related work packages within a project. It is a management control point where the integration of work is monitored and controlled. Control accounts are used for higher-level project planning, monitoring, and reporting. They provide a way to aggregate and control costs and progress for related work packages. Control account estimates are generally high-level and are often based on historical data, expert judgment, or parametric estimating. The goal is to provide a reasonably accurate estimate for related work packages. 2. Work package. A work package is a more detailed level of the project breakdown, representing a specific set of activities or tasks within a control account. Work packages are the building blocks of the project. Work packages are used for detailed planning, execution, and monitoring. They provide a basis for assigning responsibilities, managing resources, and tracking progress more granularly. Work package estimates are more detailed than control account estimates. Techniques such as bottom-up or three-point estimates may be used to arrive at more accurate and specific values. 3. Activity. An activity is the smallest unit of work in a project. It represents a specific and discrete task that needs to be accomplished to achieve a project's objectives. Activities are used for detailed scheduling, resource assignment, and day-to-day project execution. They form the basis for project tracking, progress measurement, and resource management. Activity estimates are the most detailed and specific. They involve breaking down work packages into individual activities and estimating the time, resources, and costs associated with each activity. Each level serves a specific purpose in project planning, execution, and control. By employing estimating at these 3 levels, project managers can balance the need for accuracy with the practicality of managing a complex project. This hierarchical structure ensures that estimates align with the project's goals while providing the necessary detail for effective planning and control. Analogous estimating or top-down estimating utilizes historical data from similar projects as a basis for estimating the duration or resources of the current project. It assumes that the current project's characteristics are identical to past projects. This method is quick and requires less detailed information, but provides estimates with lower accuracy. For example, in a construction company that specializes in building residential houses. In a new project where the size of the land for the building is 2,000 square meters, the company has completed several projects with similar characteristics in terms of design complexity and geographical location, but mostly were of size 1,000 square meters, and they took a year to finish. This method uses basic interpolation for estimation. 1,000 square meters in 1 year, then 2,000 square meters would take 2 years. If they double the number, the company will estimate to finish the project using the same resources in 2 years, or 1 year. Parametric estimating involves using statistical relationships between historical data and other variables. To calculate estimates for project parameters. This method is more sophisticated than analogous estimating, often based on mathematical models or algorithms, and provides forecasts with a higher degree of accuracy. A simple example of parametric estimating would be a machine capable of doing 10 square meters per hour, which would need 10 hours to finish a 100 square meter area. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall continue discussing estimating resources. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you in our next segment.